Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shakina and I'm back with another fabulous tutorial. So today we'll be doing a neutral kind of look. So the eyeshadow is going to be very simple, very easy and classy. And also with a pop of blue wing liner and also blue under eye. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Okay dolls, so the first thing we are going to do is just dip our brush into that nice warm brown shade from the Icon Pro Absolute New York palette, and I'm just using that as a translucent shade, and we are just putting that in our crease area. Don't mind me digging my nose, sorry about that, but we are basically just using that as a translucent shade, and we are going to buff and blend that into circular motion. So now we are doing the same thing to the other eye, and I'm just going to blend that into circular motions also. So now we are finished blending out our translucent shade. Now we are going to take a clean blending brush and just buff around the shade. This technique is to help get rid of any harsh lines and help the eyeshadow appear more seamless. So now I'm taking the same clean blending brush and I'm going in with the darker shade, and as you can see, it's almost gone. So now we are applying that darker shade on the outer corner of our eyes, and we are going to blend it underneath our translucent shade. Do go in as much as you need to get the payoff that you want. So I'm just keep going back into the same palette so I could get the payoff that I'm looking for. I don't want it to be too dark, but I still want it to be, you know, out there. Also doing the same thing to the other eye. But right now what I'm doing, I'm just trying to press it into the concealer on the eyelid and just buffing it out. But this eyeshadow is quite like silky, it's very smooth to the touch, so powders on top of powders is going to be hard for certain people in terms of payoff. So right now I went in with a darker color and I'm just doing the same thing, just putting it on the outer corner of my eye and just blending it into the crease area, and I'm just going back and forth with that motion. At this moment something triggered me and I don't even know what it was, but it had me a bit. So throughout this tutorial my nose was really bothering me, my sinuses and everything. So that's why I didn't talk throughout the video. That's why I'm doing a voiceover right now. So please bear with me. But yeah, because I couldn't really take my voice at all. It was very irritating at the time. So, but I did manage to pull myself together for the beginning and the end of the video. And yeah, so we're just blending that back and forth. And as you can see, my nose is bothering still. So now we're going with the Allegra Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Porcelain. Yeah, a bit got underneath my eye. So With this concealer now, we are basically creating like a cut crease kind of illusion, but not a sharp cut crease. It's just a very subtle and, you know, not a harsh cut crease, but it's there. So I'm just blending that out with the beige cosmetics blending brush or buffing brush, whichever you want to call it. So now I'm going in with the Hollywood palette. This is a J Cat Hollywood palette, and I'm just taking that nice creamy beigey color, and I'm just going to press that into the highlighted area, where the place where I put the concealer. Do you guys ever just be vibing with yourself? Like when you're just sitting down there doing your makeup, you just having a blast and like music be coming through your head and you just be like, yeah. So that was they doing. So I was just really enjoying and just vibing. Like I honestly enjoy makeup for multiple reasons. It's time for me to meditate, get myself together, and just feel myself. Like you know, so. Yeah, when I can be seeing you wanna see me feeling myself on a regular in this video. Matter of fact, all of my videos. As you guys can see, I'm going back in with the same brush that we applied our translucent shade with, and I'm just gonna sweep that around the areas we applied the brown. So now I'm going back in with the same brown eyeshadow brush, and I'm just putting that at the outer corner of my eye, just making sure we don't have any like the cream shade going on there, because you want it with a cut crease illusion. So now it's time for the showstopper. So yes, this is the items we'll be using to create the wing liner. I have the Beyond Beauty lipstick in the shade Royal, and also the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick, and what's the other one? The pigment that I put up on top of the wing liner was the MUA Essentials eyeshadow pigment, and that was in the shade Port Royal. And also I'm using I think it's a Beauty Creations brush. Yeah, a Beauty Creations wing liner brush. And I mix the two liquids together, and that is what I am applying to create my wing. And then afterwards I'm just going to pop the pigment on top. So with my popping blue wing liner, it's looking, yes, right, so it's kind of like damp. I'm gonna say damp, so we don't want to look up to get any of that pigment on our eyelid or eyeshadow. So just letting it dry down a bit, and now I'm just setting it with the eye pigment, and yeah. So now I'm cleaning up with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan, and I'm just creating that sharp wing liner. Don't mind it was already sharp, but you know, sis, we gotta be cutting. We gotta cut people with our wing liner today. Yes. So after applying the concealer, I'm just taking my Beauty Creations concealer brush, and I'm just going to blend out that concealer. Favorite part, highlight. So we're going to highlight with our Lemonade highlight palette, and I'm using a Beauty Creations brush, pigment brush, and I'm just applying it on my brow bone area. And lastly, mascara. We are just going to apply mascara on our lashes so it blends in seamlessly with our falsies. And this is the Muse mascara in the shade Black. So this is the finished look, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the Dolls Gang, and follow me on Instagram at glam_dolls, also on Facebook. And if you guys recreate this look or even want to be a part of our hashtag, please tag us at Glam Dolls Gang. And yeah, till next time, guys. Bye. What's on the other side of inhibition?